Well, this is a bluebird house I made. It's got a copper roof and made out of PVC material that won't rot or anything. And of course the roof is copper. And up on top there's a bird with a wire worm in his mouth.
Oh yeah, I see it. Does it rotate in the wind?
Yeah, it will. Or a bird will land on it and take off. Push it one way or another.
So what's the PVC part?
Oh, the white.
The square?
No, the white. The body of the...
This?
Yeah, that.
So it's boards that nailed together?
I glued them with PVC glue.
Oh really? That's pretty nice. I think I've got a piece of a roof very similar to that you made.
Yeah,
and
I
gave
made
me.
the roof is really made. It's indestructible almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bird shows up a little better.
There's one hole that's real, right? For the other ones.
There's two. There's one there and one around on the top backside.
Is it just one compartment inside?
No, there's two.
Two separate. That's a duplex.
Yeah. And some of those birds get confused about
Which one they're
those
in?
holes. They'll peck on them.
Yeah. What you got growing here? What's this vine?
That's a clematis. Real pretty flower when it's blooming.
So the arrow is the direction of the wind, supposedly.
Yeah, I guess. The tail end there would catch the wind. I got it.